Alright, guys. So if you're a trader finding consistent profitability, whether you are still refining your trading system or you're trying to build discipline, or maybe you're trying to build trust and confidence around your trading system, this video is for you. Okay. We all know that the major problem is not actually finding a trading system or building the edge or sharpening your edge around the trading system. The major problem is actually getting a shooting environment to be able to build your system without risking too much of money, because when you are in that process of learning, that we are in that process of building consistency, you don't want to actually put too much of money on the line, because it will actually cause you trauma when you lose too much money that you can't afford to lose. Of course, I'm sure most of you can relate, because I know a lot of traders who are actually in debt because they decide to trade people's money when they are still in the stage of developing their trading system and then mastering the market, mastering their mind, and mastering all of the psychology in the market for them to be able to be consistently profitable. Right now, most people like to use demo account for this very stuff, try to make analysis and trade on demo so that they can you know put together a trading system. But then we all know that demo account has no real market psychological effect on traders, because of course it's not your money, you're not afraid of losing nothing, and then you are not eager to make a lot of money from there, like the greed that kicks in when you are trading your own money. You are not pushed to kind of like flip the account because you want to make quick bucks. All right, so demo account is kind of like not really a thing when it comes to actually strengthening your edge and sharpening your edge and building your consistency. Okay, and just like I said, putting your own money on the line is actually really crazy. Putting too much money that you can't afford to lose on the line is actually crazy, because once you fall into a losing streak doing this, you know, strategy sharpening and all of the things you need to do, when you fall into a losing streak, it will actually, bro, it will fuck up your mentality and your psychology and put you into too much of trauma even before you obtain all of the confidence and strength in your strategy that you're looking for. So a few days ago, I was browsing through YouTube and I came across a video that spoke about a broker that lets traders to deposit as little as 2,000 naira and gives enough leverage for traders to be able to use that 2K to do a lot of things in the market. It snapped in my mind and I decided to try it out for myself. I discovered that it's a very nice broker. They're licensed and then everything works swiftly with them. So I decided to deposit 2,000 naira on the 19th of this month, and you can see my trading history. I've been able to trade 2,000 naira to almost 30,000 naira profit, and also I've been able to withdraw 10,000 naira profit, because most of the time, some of these brokers, when you trade with them, when it comes to withdraw, you begin to hear a lot of long stories, right? But then I've been able to withdraw not just once, I withdraw twice to actually, get the confidence with them before I come and talk about it here. So imagine you are actually trying to refine your trading system, or you're just someone like me who just want to, try things out, or you're already a profitable trader who just want to like, make a lot from little amount of money. You can actually try out this broker. The link is in my description below. So when you click on the link, it will bring you to their interface. It's pretty simple to sign up for an account, just like every other brokerage. You can either link with your Google account or with your Facebook, or manually put in an email account to actually sign up for an account. Okay, when you sign up for an account, you don't need to do any long stuff. It will just take you straight to where you make your deposit and all of that. But where the trick about the 2K comes in is that you need to create an account and you need to create an NGN account. So you have to go to the account section, all right? Click on create account and then follow through with the process. You select the type of account. Make sure it's standard account, because it's only standard account that gives you that Naira account, okay? And allow you to be able to trade with leverage up to 2,000 leverage. That is the leverage I decided to use, or I'm using, because they had a leverage, they had your strength in the market. Okay, so I chose 2,000 leverage and then I created the account. And one of the reasons why it is very very nice and simple for traders in Nigeria, these brokers serve traders everywhere. Okay, I think apart from the US, but then why it is very very advantageous to traders in Nigeria, they have vast payment method. And then for me, I use OPay. I just did transfer to them, and then within 5 minutes my account was credited. Okay, and also the withdrawal was also like that. You can see on my screen the withdrawal was paid to me all of them via my OPay within 15 minutes. I think they process my withdrawal. And then I also try to withdraw random times. You can see I withdrew at night when it's supposed to be like uh customer service supposed to be not really active and stuff like that. And but then they responded swiftly. So if you are in any of these issues I mentioned, please do well to sign up for this broker. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching and stay high.